Hello my dear students, how are you? I'm going to discuss question answers of lesson 4. Okay, so should we start? You know the lesson is about tuk-tuk cycle, bicycle. Now the first question is, what did tuk-tuk's friends have? Tuk-tuk's friends had bicycles. See here in the picture, so many friends and all are riding on their bicycles. Next question is, what did Tuktuk get on his birthday? See the birthday scene here? Tuktuk got a red bicycle on his birthday. See here, red bicycle. Isn't it beautiful? Third question, where did Tuktuk try to ride his bicycle? The answer is, Tuktuk tried to ride his bicycle in the park. Next question, who saw Tuktuk trying to ride his bicycle? The answer is, Jaya saw Tuktuk trying to ride his bicycle. Now the last question is, question number 5, how did Jaya help Tuktuk? Jaya held the bicycle and ran behind Tuktuk. So all the questions are done. You love the lesson? Enjoy students. We'll meet in the next video. Keep watching.